Hi, we're here at the law office of Daniel Santos. Today I want to talk about one of the most common questions that I get. And it's very simple, very basic. And the question is, do I have a case? And this is a great question. Unfortunately, there's no simple answer, and there's no one answer. There's a number of factors that come into play when you're looking at it and when you're looking at evaluating a case. Really, at the end of the day, you're looking at two primary things. You're really looking at liability and you're looking at damages. So in the first thing on liability, the question is, whose fault is it? And I always try to find that out during the initial interview when I'm talking to my prospective client. Whose fault is it? And did that person or did that company in some situations, did they have a responsibility to you? And do they have a responsibility to keep you safe? For example, if we're out there on the road, not only do I have a responsibility to myself, to the passengers that are inside my vehicle, but I also have a responsibility to the other drivers that are out there. And the same goes for the other drivers. They have a responsibility to be on the lookout. They have a responsibility to be safe, to drive safely, and to avoid any accidents and any, I guess, unnecessary situations. And so we look at those situations and we analyze them, and then from there we kind of check that first box or get that first determination. The next thing is damages. And so what happened as a result of this crash, as a result of this situation, what happened to you? What happened to your vehicle? So those are damages, and we look at it from that situation. There are situations where you may have clear liability, yet you have no damages. Those are great situations, and those are extremely fortunate situations. There's also some unfortunate situations where you have damages, you're severely injured, but unfortunately there may not be a liability. So what do we do at the end of the day? So the best advice and the best recommendation that I can give you is to contact an experienced attorney. Contact an experienced personal injury attorney and find out if you do have a case. A lot of lawyers, including myself, we offer free consultation. So there's no loss or there's no risk in terms of presenting to your case, just presenting your case to the lawyer, presenting the facts, and making that determination whether you have a case to move forward or whether you don't. One of the other best pieces of advice that I can give you is don't delay. If there's a possibility or any thoughts that you may have a claim, reach out immediately and contact that lawyer, and just to find out what your rights are, find out what your options are, and then you can go from there.